How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get six-pack abs for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how to get six-pack abs, you guys? In order to get six-pack abs, we have to get to a low enough body fat percentage, typically 10 to 13% body fat. Now, everyone in the world has abs. Just most people can't see them because it's covered with fat. So we have to get rid of all the fat. So what we have to do is we have to lose weight. For most people, unless you're super underweight, then don't lose weight. But for most people, you should lose weight. We do this by eating in a caloric deficit. So if you need 2,500 calories a day, most men need 2,500 calories to maintain their weight. So if you need 2,500 calories to maintain, eat 2,000 calories. That should make you lose about a pound per week. Very simple to do and it works. You lose enough weight, your abs will start to show. It's as simple as that. Now, this is way easier said than done. If it was as simple as this, then everybody would have abs, and most people do not have abs. So what is going on here? The minute you put yourself in a calorie deficit, your body works against you. You have so many different things going on in your body that nobody really realizes. The minute you go in that calorie deficit for the day, first couple of days, your body, what it'll do is your cortisol levels will rise. Your ghrelin will rise. Your leptin levels will decrease. Your estrogen, if you're a guy or girl, will slowly decrease. Your glucagon will go down, you guys. All of this stuff, your glycogen levels in most cases will slowly go down as well. So a lot of things happen, and your body purposely does this for survival, because what your body wants is your body constantly wants to be in a fed state. Your body actually wants to have extra fat because it's going back to survival, because tens of thousands of years ago, a lot of people starved to death because they didn't have enough food. So your body, for a majority of the time humans were on this earth, they didn't have enough food. They were constantly hunting, gathering food. We now have an abundance. Where we can get food at any time as long as you're not homeless. And even if you're homeless, you can go to a food bank and still get food. So in most cases, your body is programmed to always want food and more of it. So when you lose weight, your body is doing everything it can to make sure you get out of that deficit. So it does take willpower. It is difficult to do because it does take a lot of willpower to lose weight. Even if you eat healthy, you do all these things correct, it's still very difficult to get six-pack abs. So just keep that in mind. It is difficult. End the video. Thank you so much for watching.